Once a user gets into the state portal, if he is not already registered, he has to register by clicking on the new user registration link. Once he clicks the link, he will be redirected to the new user registration page. He has to fill the following form for getting registered. Now we will see the list of fields in this form in detail. The first field is the user ID field. User has to choose his own ID, which need to be given every time when he is logging into our system. The format and condition that the user can choose his username is as follows. The username is case insensitive, so the letter of a user ID in a lower or uppercase would be treated as same. The letters of alphabets A to Z, number 0 to 9 along with a special character underscore is only allowed for this field. The username should contain a minimum of 4 character and maximum of 30 character. Special character other than underscore including space is not allowed for the username. If the user ID desired by the user, if it is already taken by the different user, the user is shown with the following error message. Now the user should choose a different username. The next field is a password field. The password selected by the user should adhere to the following condition. The password is case sensitive. Example, if the user chooses a password with a lowercase, would be completely different from the password with the uppercase. The password should be at least 8 character long. It should contain at least one numeric digit, one uppercase, one lowercase and one special character. Username shouldn't be a part of a password. For example, if the user is registered with the name Sharma, the password shouldn't have the word Sharma in its content. The next field is a name. The private entrepreneur should always provide the full name when he is getting registered. He shouldn't write the name in short. This name would be referred to the sponsoring ministry when he submits a new project. Next field is a designation. The user shouldn't provide the abbreviated form of the designation. For example, if the user is having a designation as MD, he should write as Managing Director instead of MD. Next field is the email field. User should provide his primary email in which all the notification is sent by the system. Next field is a phone number. He has to give one landline and one mobile number. If the sponsoring ministry want to contact the private entrepreneur for any queries in his project, they use this number. Only numbers are allowed without any special characters. The next field is an address field, where the user can provide his address. Next is an alternate email. We get this alternate email to communicate with the user if the primary email fails. All the fields in this user registration form are mandatory. So once after filling all the fields of the form, the user has to see the character shown in the image and he has to put in the captcha box. And he clicks on the registered button, so we will be registered in our system. Once the user is registered, then he can submit a project. With a single user ID, he can submit any number of projects. The same user is not required to create an additional login for his other project.